Do you want to make money online like these guys? Make $2 million to $5 million per year. Well, I have a good news for you. I have discovered how they do that. And we are making some money as well, like $1,000 to $5,000 per day in passive affiliate commissions. Only 3 steps. Get high quality technology related content like the superboo.com. And step number 2, publish your high quality content on your site. The content should be related to technology, which is a $5.3 trillion industry. Step number 3, keep publishing 24/7 and keep sharing the content on Pinterest. Make sure to link the blog content with images called pins. This site has a huge traffic of 50,000 visitors per month, and almost all their traffic comes from Pinterest. This system works perfectly because there are endless topics to publish content about technology, and Pinterest traffic is pretty easy to get. But the problem is you need to create high quality content. You need a domain, hosting server, security system, and always maintain the quality. All these can be expensive and time consuming. It takes years to build a blog like this and get traction using blogging, which makes it very difficult for beginners to make money. But don't worry, there is a simpler and easier system that pays $1,000, $2,000 in affiliate commissions, and it's perfect for beginners. Check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio for more information. Let's make $1,000 to $2,000 a day passive affiliate commissions online. But before that, this technology blog earns $2 million to $5 million per year by publishing high quality content in their website. And they get majority of their 50,000 visitors per month traffic from Pinterest. Visitors click on their ads and the site earns commissions from AdSense. The good news is this classic system of making money online works perfectly, and technology industry is a $5.2 trillion industry, and there is always something new coming up. But the problem is this technology industry is a very dynamic industry. They always have to keep publishing high number of new content about the new tech. Content creation is expensive, plus domain, hosting server, website security, maintaining constant high quality are just few of the hassles of this system. So yeah, it's a great business, but it's not beginner friendly. To earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day like us, beginners need a simple system that is working right now, like the one we use to earn this kind of money. Check the instruction in the first comment and in the bio. Simple $1,000 per day plan for you. This travel agency posts simple videos on Instagram, videos that show off all the amazing places they can take you. And since Facebook also has reel videos now, these Instagram reels can be viewed on Facebook too. And because they have put their contact details in the Instagram bio, interested people can find them, contact them, and hire them for their services. They are making money with free advertisement just like us. You might be thinking that you don't have an agency, but here is the kicker. It's not just for experienced travel agents. Even beginners can get in on the action by becoming an affiliate for sites like booking.com. All you need to do is share your link from this page with the people who contact you, and when someone buys through your link, you will get commissions around 25%. Not bad, huh? But even with this system, there is still one problem. It's really hard to get $1,000 per day in affiliate commissions like we are doing. For that, you need a simpler and easier system with companies that pay out $1,000 commissions per sale. But don't worry, we have got you covered. Just check the instructions in the bio. And in the first, let's make some money. How about $1,000 to $2,000 per day in passive affiliate commission? Let me give you an example. Look at this video. It's a simple video, image changing, and there is a text on top. Information about where you can drop. Over 400,000 people watched this video. Free advertisement on Facebook and Instagram. Here is how it happened. The people who want to know more, they will click here and they will see view on Instagram. Click on this button and you'll be taken to their Instagram page. And here when you click more, you'll see all their contact details. Look at the number of followers. All they do is use a simple software, make simple videos using 3 to 5 minutes of their time, publish them on Instagram and get free publicity and free clients for their business. They have a travel agency, a service to offer, and they're making money. But if you're looking for a side hustle, you don't have an agency or a service to offer, you can make money from affiliate marketing. Go to Google and search with booking.com affiliate. See this link here? This page will give you all the information how you can become booking.com affiliate. You will get a personal affiliate link and share with people. When people buy from booking.com through your link, you will earn approximately 25% commission on sales. That's not bad and quite passive. But if you want to make a lot of money like $1,000 to $2,000 to $5,000 a day like us, then you need a simpler and easier approach and promote offers that pay $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions. If you want to know how we do it and how you can do it, follow the instructions in the comment or in the bio, or just send me a message on Facebook and Instagram. Hey guys, let's earn $1,000 per sale affiliate commissions. TechCrazy.teacher earns $1 million to $2 million per year by sharing awesome helpful content in their website, and then share that content with Pinterest, and most of their traffic come from Pinterest. And it's pretty easy. Go to canva.com, search with the keyword Pinterest and select Pinterest pin. Then use these beautiful done for you templates. Create your pin, go to Pinterest, click Click create pin, upload your Canva created graphics here and put your website link here. Then click publish and you are done. People on Pinterest will find your pin, click your links and visit your website. Your affiliate links and ads will generate affiliate commissions and you will make money. Sounds easy, but it's not easy. This system needs a domain, hosting server, regular high quality content, graphics creation, publishing content on your website and sharing the content on Pinterest. Takes a lot of time and a lot of work. Yes, it's simple, but not easy. You will make money, but you will probably burn out, or you will need a full team to run this business to actually make it profitable. But don't worry, there is an easier way. And that's what we do to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day per sale in affiliate commissions. And 95% of the work is done for you. Full information and instruction is in the bio. One simple video can change your life and help you earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Look at this video. This was downloaded from TikTok and uploaded on Facebook wall. And many interested customers are leaving their phone numbers, email address, WhatsApp number to contact with them because they want to buy. You see the power of a single piece of content. And to be honest, we even use a simpler strategy to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. And you can do it too. For more details, check the instruction in my bio and in the first. Here is a brand new $1,000 per day plan for you. The system is simple. You can do it using Fiverr.com. Just go to Fiverr.com and search for website. Select pro services. People are offering web design services and charging over $1,300. Create a free account and open a gig like them so you can offer the same service. When you get an order, go to Canva.com, select website and use their built-in templates to build the website. Put in the information of your clients in the template, make the website, deliver the website and get paid. Do this every day and you will make $1,000 a day. But it's not easy because there are a lot of people already doing this. Plus, before you start selling, you need some reputation. And you can get reputation by doing smaller projects first and maybe sometimes offering your service for free. And once you have some good reviews, you can start charging more for your services. Yes, it's easy, but not fast. But affiliate marketing can be easy, simple, and fast. And you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per sale every day, just like we do. Check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment for more. Here's a $1,000 per day plan for you. I love this beard oil because it makes my beard soft. And literally hundreds of thousands of people Google about beard trimmer, beard styling, and beard oil every single month because 44% of men worldwide today have full beards. Yeah, just like me. And smart websites like this are capitalizing customers like me. All these 44% men. They earn $2 million to $5 million per year by publishing beard and men fashion related content and share that content on social sites like Pinterest. And this way they get 1.5 million monthly visitors. And visitors equals money. Look at our results. 476,000 visitors made us $446,000. It's literally almost $500,000 from one account, and you can do it too. But good news, you don't need a blog, you don't need content, you don't even need to promote beard related products. It's super easy and the full details is in the first comment. And did you know beards can make you money? I didn't mean your beard, it can be my beard as well. 44% of men worldwide today have full beard. Every month, hundreds of thousands of people Google about beard trimmer, beard styling, beard oil. And Amazon UAE has over 60,000 products beard related. And these guys are smart. They are capitalizing beards. They earn $2 million to $5 million per year. If you're questioning about traffic, a lot of their traffic come from social media sites like Pinterest, from simple pins like this. But don't worry, you don't need beard and you don't even need a blog with hundreds of content, domain, hosting server, and all these hassles. We earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate marketing commissions every single day using a much simpler and easier system that any beginner can do. To learn more, follow the instruction in my bio and in the first